Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today has been a long day, but I've really wanted to make this video ever since I purchased this item here. I have been waiting and it is now 7 o'clock at night, and after a very stressful day, a day was meant to just be my day off from work. I was waiting here for this package to come in. I knew it was coming in today. Anyway, today didn't go as planned. But the one thing that I was looking forward to today is this box, which I did receive, and I am so incredibly excited to open it. I think I got it in the mail around 11 o'clock this afternoon, and I have been dying ever since to open it. But like I said, today did not go as planned. So we are going to push that behind us and I will deal with it again tomorrow. But right now, this video is about what is in this box. And I am so incredibly excited to share it with you guys. This is my first ever handbag from this brand. I'm just like, I'm over the moon. I'm probably gonna cry, maybe not, I don't know. But yeah, I'm so excited to get this. I purchased this pre-loved from from someone on Instagram and YouTube. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and get into it, I guess, huh? Right, so it came in this ginormous box and it is packaged really well. I've already crossed out all the info on here. I guess I'm just gonna kind of open it this way for you guys. We'll see. I got my little thing here. So, oh my god, you guys, I am so excited. I know I'm gonna love it. I'm like a little nervous, not gonna lie, but okay. Can you guys see everything? Maybe if I move over a little. Alright, so there's some Fashion File confetti. This was not purchased on Fashion File, but oh, she made a little receipt for me. That's so awesome. Okay. So it comes with the Chanel bag here with the camellia, the shopping bag. Ooh, so nervous. Oh my god, you guys. Look at it. She packaged it so nice. Okay. I know you're like, shut up, Sam, get into it. Okay. So here is the box. It's a nice magnetic one. Oh my god, you guys. This is huge for me. This is my first handbag from Chanel. I do have the wallet on chain, but this is a big deal to me, so. Alright. Okay, and then it has the receipt. Oh, okay, so it has the receipt and everything. I didn't know it came with that. Let's look at it really quick. This was purchased in June of 2018 in California. At Costa Mesa, California. So that's cool. Got the receipt. So this handbag, okay, no, we're gonna do this first. All right. Oh my god, you guys, it's in my hand. Okay, so here's the dust bag. Oh my goodness, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Oh, I'm dying. Okay. All right, to reveal. Oh, this is my new Coco Handle in the size small with the chevron and the aged gold hardware. Oh my god, you guys. Oh, it's so beautiful. Wow. Oh. Wow, and it came with everything, like it was brand new. Oh my god. It's so stunning. I'm like, it even has a little tag. So this bag was $4,000, brand new. Here, I'll show you the receipt, or the tag for it. And this was purchased again last year. So I did save some money on this, and oh my god, it is so beautiful, you guys. Okay, let's look at the inside. I'll probably keep all this stuffing because I'm definitely one to. Okay, is it in here? I'm wondering where the crossbody strap is. Let me look real quick. Oh, she's so thoughtful. Thank you, AJ. She wrapped it all up nice in this so it wouldn't dent the bag. That's so sweet. So it does come with a shoulder strap. It has a top leather here, and then here's the beautiful gold aged. It's not gonna work. There's the beautiful hardware for the strap. Oh my god, you guys. This is the most beautiful bag I've ever seen. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have to do mod shots, and then I'll probably so if I'm wearing a different outfit, that would be why. It'll be on a different day. But this bag, let me look it over for a second, but it is literally in perfect condition. I believe she said she only used it a handful of times, and then the person she bought it from, so real quick, I bought this from me and Mr. Vuitton on Instagram and YouTube. So AJ had this for sale, and she said she purchased it from another person on Instagram who had never used it. So she basically got it brand new, and I'm basically getting it in like excellent pre-loved condition, like new. Basically, it literally looks new. There's no scratches, there's no rubbing, there's nothing. There's no scratches on the inside. Yeah, it is in super good condition. So here's what, you guys won't be able to see, but there's what the inside looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's still even a sticker on here. Is there a sticker? There's a sticker on the pull tab too, you guys. You know how I am about those stickers. I'm gonna leave those on there. Oh my goodness. I literally can't stop staring at this. This is so pretty. Oh my god. You guys, my new baby. I love it so much. I never thought I would love the chevron as much as I did. I am so incredibly glad that I added chevron to my collection. This is like, I wanted a Coco Handle as my first bag for the longest time. I just thought I could dress it up, dress it down. It's classic. It's stunning. I always thought I would add quilted, but then when I saw the chevron, I was just like blown away. And now even more so in person, I'm just like, that is amazing, and I cannot believe that I own that. So oh my god, welcome my new baby to my household. I love it. It's, I literally can't stop staring at it. It's so pretty. Ooh, and I think I have it here. It'll go cute with my new chevron mini O case. Look how adorable. Completely different, but whatever, you know. So anyway, that is my unboxing for my new baby. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I don't think you enjoyed it as much as I am, because I'm like, I literally just want to put this on a counter and just stare at it. It's so beautiful. So yay, my first Chanel, and hopefully there's more to come. My husband probably doesn't agree, but yeah, it's beautiful. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.